Okay, today I got a special treat. I'm not just going to make candy buttons or mega candy buttons. I'm going to make super gigantic mega candy buttons. See how it does, and I'm going to show you some of the things you're going to need. I'm using this as underneath paper. This is actually a roll of 12 by 120 inch paper, so it'll be nice and big. I've already drawn 3 circles as my guide. I just used something like this and took a Sharpie, black Sharpie, so it'll be see-through and I can see through this when I roll this out. And I just put my candy button mixture, which is nothing more than just royal icing basically, and I'm going to flavor it. I'm going to make 4 separate batches so I can get 4 separate colors. To make my royal icing, what I'm going to do is start with egg whites. I'm just going to add 2 egg whites. Egg separator right there. Now I'm going to take my cherry flavoring and I'm going to add about a teaspoon. And I'm going to give it a mix for about 7 or 8 minutes. Now that our mixture is super foamy, it's almost like a frosting itself right now. What I'm going to start doing is adding about 6 cups of confectionery sugar, and I'm going to add it a little bit at a time, about a cup at a time, and mix it up. Okay, after you add about 3 cups worth, you're going to want to add a little bit of water. Okay, I'm going to add a teaspoon of water and continue to mix. But right now I'm going to add my red food coloring. Okay, this is my red, and I want it to be a little bit runny like this because I want it to spread out when I put it on the paper. Alright. Okay, I've made my blue, and now I have the perfect consistency. Not too thick, not too thin. What I'm going to do, I put a piping bag and inside out in a cup. I'm going to transfer it into that. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, now we'll just let that dry and we'll work on the next color. Now these are candy buttons, and these are mega candy buttons, but nothing's better than giant candy buttons. Now those are candy buttons.